Let me show you something that changed my content creation workflow completely. Every week, I create an AI roundup video that requires hunting down dozens of new tools and new stories. It used to eat me out the entire Thursday, researching, reading, taking notes, organizing. But now I built an AI agent that handles 80% of this process automatically. It finds the trending AI tools, summarizes key news stories, and delivers everything in a neatly organized report. And stay tuned because I'm gonna show you how to do all these agents only using your smartphone. In this video, we're diving into the world of AI agents using Mistral AI, a powerful and free alternative to ChatGPT. So, what are AI agents? Think of them as personal assistants that can handle a specific task for you. Unlike ChatGPT, which requires a plus plan for custom GPTs, Mistral AI allows you to build agents for free. Let me start by sharing how I use AI agents for my weekly news roundup video. Every week, I need to draft a video script that includes the latest AI tools and news articles. Instead of manually researching and writing, I built an AI agent to handle this task for me. It saves me time and ensures I never miss an update. Now, let me show you how you can do the same. Step 1. Sign up. Open your smartphone browser, preferably Chrome, and go to Mistral AI's website. Sign up for an account if you haven't already. Remember, for the best experience, use the web version instead of the app. Before we dive into creating our first AI agent, let's see how Mistral AI can browse the web to find the latest AI news. This feature is incredibly useful for staying updated without manually searching for information. Simply input your query, and Mistral AI will fetch the most relevant and up-to-date information for you. So to start building your first agent, just type the @ symbol, then you will see a pop-up window where you can choose an existing agent or create a new one. You'll be taken to a simple interface where you can name your agent, select the model, and set the temperature to control the randomness of the output. For this example, we'll use the following instructions. Act as an expert tech marketing and summarize this in a news format in less than 200 words. For this example, we are going to leave Mistral Large 2.1 model, which is good for this case. Give the AI examples of the input and desired output. This helps the AI understand your expectations better. Once you've filled in all the details, click on Deploy, and then deploy it to the chat, Mistral AI's chat interface. If you're interested in learning more about the design aspects of AI agents, be sure to check out our video on Agents in Design. It's packed with insights and tips to help you create even more effective AI solutions. Let's see how to use the agent in a real life. So here we type the @ and we choose the agent that we already have. And we're gonna tell to take the second news, in this case, the one about Google, I think. And we tell the agent to summarize it in a 200 words news, which is the instruction we gave to our agent in the previous step. So here we click OK. And as you can see, we have the news already summarized in a 200 words. Perfect. Now, let's create another AI agent to help with content creation for a tech channel. Go back to the Mistral AI interface and click on Build to create a new agent. Use the following instructions. Act as an expert content creator for a tech channel and combine the 3 news above in a 3-minute video script. Start with 3 headlines hooked for each news, then a second intro saying, "Welcome to Trafficant 3 Weekly Roundup, where we give 3 news in AI in 3 minutes. Then continue with a summarized version of each news in less than 100 words. followed by an outro saying, and that's it for this week in AI. And remember, the AI we are living in today is just the beginning. The best is yet to come. See you next time. Bye-bye. After that, just put a name and then provide examples of how you want the script to be structured, including the hooks, intro, summaries, and outro. Once everything is set, click on Deploy and deploy it to the chat using the Tech Channel Video Script agent. Okay, and let's move on to the how to apply this second agent. Same as before. We just go to the chat interface, and here same, we just type the add symbol, and then we have the list of our agents. In this case, we're just gonna say to take this text and do the same for the creating the layout of our news. So it's gonna take our 3 news and create the layout with the intro, the hook, and the content and the outro. So this is what we tell to the agent to do. And as you can see, start to creating all the text in order, following the instructions. Let's create an agent to create a social media post. So here we just go to same to the agent, and then we type summarize the text in 150 words for the social media post. Use an intro hook. It could be a question or a statement based on the content. What else? Let's say that makes the audience be curious or FOMO. Add an outro, call to action to follow me at Yelling You and subscribe to my channel. And at the very end, let's say to add 5 hashtags related to the topic. And then we click the same, we save it, deploy it, and let's run it in a real example. So let's say, show me the most important news in AI today. Let's see. Okay, so now we have actually 3 news, and then we're gonna tell take the second news with the ad of the agents. In this case, it's called a social media post, and then we run it. And as you can see, it's taking the news and creating our post to post directly in LinkedIn or Instagram or any social media that you have. You can do a lot of things with these agents. Even you can generate images, but I'm not going to explain that in this video. Maybe in the future I will show you how to do it. And that's it for this video. If you like it, please thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, activate the bell to receive notifications on my new videos. And remember, the AI we're living in today is just the beginning. The best is yet to come. See you guys next time. Bye bye.